to give your opinion, for me, works very well. For me, it is going to rain today. For me. Niveau 6e, for me. Niveau 5e, on l'avait dit.
My opinion is...
One more word before my opinion.
This is my opinion.
Erin. In my opinion. In my opinion, it is going to rain. À mon avis. Guys, underline this in my opinion. 4e. Zoe. I think that would be very good. I think that. Guys, I think we could even say I believe that. Je crois que. I believe that. I think that. Absolutely fine. Troisième. Something that you're going to see next year. As far as I am concerned. As far as I'm concerned. It is going to rain. En ce qui me concerne. As far as I'm concerned. And guys, next year, you say this expression in an oral, the jury, walk, walk.